Hi guys, I have been wanting to do this video for such a long time and I finally found some time to do it today. So I thought it would be really fun because I know a lot of you follow my Dollar Tree hauls and my Dollar Tree DIYs, but I've never done a tour of DollarTree.com with you, and so I thought that we could do that today and really kind of get ourselves educated a little bit more when it comes to Dollar Tree, because I found their website to be very, very interesting. So much stuff I didn't even know existed personally. Now this is the homepage, and as you can see, I'm kind of scrolling through and I'm already seeing some new things that I haven't seen yet at my stores. But that's the other great thing about DollarTree.com, is it kind of gives you an insight to what you could potentially expect to see within your own stores. So it is really fun, and I have to admit, the chase of trying to get to Dollar Tree and finding items is super fun, but I'm not going to get distracted by that. I'm showing you here that there's different sections built into their website. There's tips and ideas blogs, there's a Dollar Tree arcade, which is crazy, we'll look at that a little bit later, and Dollar Tree videos, and then you can obviously sign up for their emails, and then there's a loyalty program, which I think we're also gonna get into a little bit later as well. But just sitting here scrolling through, getting familiar with the main page and all the different ways that you can shop, and the quick links that they have between Halloween and the picture frames and back to school. And I found this Family Dollar link to be very interesting because I didn't even know that Family Dollar was linked or associated in any way to Dollar Tree. So that was really interesting, and when you click Family Dollar, it will probably just take you to that link. And then you can shop by department. This website is built very much like any other normal shopping type of website, by departments and sections and categories. So I'm just kind of scrolling through here, showing you guys what those look like. Seasons and occasions and holidays. I am super excited for their upcoming holidays, but look, they even have shop by business, which is kind of crazy. So just wedding events and catering events, care facilities, cleaning supplies if you're trying to run your own business by cleaning, things like that, etc. So the very first thing I wanted to kind of take you guys to is this value club. Still trying to get acclimated with this, if you will, trying to figure out what this all means, and so I decided to click the join the club. And I think that you just get certain type of exclusive information maybe first before anybody else. Don't quote me, but I'm still again trying to figure all of this out. And this was just the little sign up page, and it tells you what you would get if you were to become a member, and then you would just create your account like you pretty much would when you're anywhere else. So yeah, so I'm just sitting here typing cheap crafty girl, but I ended up finishing up my registration later just because obviously this is private information, but you would put all your information, and again it shows you the crafts and recipe and contests and all kinds of things that belongs to this little value club. So I found that really interesting because as long as I've been loving on Dollar Tree, didn't even know that this existed. So now let's go ahead and kind of dive in a little bit. I'm not going to go through every single department, but I'm going to take you through some that I found really interesting. So kitchen was the very first one, and then as you can see, it's thus then divided by different categories like dinnerware collections. I have to say that in the past month I kept visiting this website and this specific section to see if I was going to find the lemon plates, but they were never here. And I think that the lemon plates had to have been a different brand and not a Dollar Tree brand, and that's why it never appeared on their website. So that's just my thought. I don't know how true that is, but as you can see, the sunflower plates are there. I think they're gorgeous, you guys. They're perfect for fall time, so snag those up. And yeah, where are we gonna go next? I think I ended up going to coffee mugs. I have to say though, the one downfall, and it's probably not just one downfall, but it's kind of a huge downfall, is that most things you have to buy in units, basically in bulk. So some things are as little as 6 units, meaning you would pay $6, and some things you have to buy them in 48 units. So if you want that one product, if you wanted it from the website, you'd have to buy 48 of them and pay $48. But so I'm showing you like this mug here. It's beautiful, fall leaves maple mug, gorgeous. Again, this kind of tells me that I could possibly see this mug in stores. But as you can see here, the minimum requirement is 6 units. So that would be 6 coffee mugs for $6. And then you can also buy them in more units if you needed to. So that's really great for just if you need to buy in bulk, if you're throwing some sort of event or whatever. So, and then you can also pick up for free in store. So that's really cool. I think way back when you could only pick up in store, but maybe now they ship to home. I'm not really sure how that UPS delivery works, but I've only actually purchased one thing in the past from online, and that was my Christmas Village set, and I only had to buy one of those. So that was really cool, but I bought the whole set, so I paid $1 for every like little thing. I think it ended up being, I don't remember, $36. But anyhow, so that's the only thing. I really wish that we could just buy single items from their website. I have no idea why they do it this way, to be honest. I think they would make a killing. I have to say, even though that is a huge downfall, I still love utilizing their website again because it tells me what is new. We're going to get into a whole section that they actually devote to what's new. So this is a just great informational website if you are obsessed with Dollar Tree like I am. Now here I am in just like a very generic home decor section, and as you can see, they've split this up by rugs, which is really interesting. I don't really get the rug section. It's really just the grippers. They have decorative cube storage and decorative accents. And then when I dove into this, I saw a ton of new things that I have yet to see at my stores. I mean, the little pillows are really cute. Look at these decorative money bank boxes. What? Where are those at, people? But anyway, so as you can see, I'm just going to take you guys through at a glance and look at all this fun stuff. I made a mental note of that foil backsplash wall sticker. Yeah, I was kind of eyeing those. I think I might use them for something. So I wrote that on my list. And that's the other great thing. It's kind of fun to like window shop. Just scroll through Dollar Tree and write down your little list and see if you are able to find them within your own store. So I was really intrigued by these decorative money bank boxes. So I'm just going to click on this and give us a bigger view to see what those look like. They kind of look like shadow boxes, and it probably is, so that you can kind of probably put money at the top and then you can kind of see the money as you're piling it in. But I'm showing you here how many units that you would have to buy in order to purchase this online. It's kind of crazy, but hey, listen, if you want to do like some sort of gift giving thing, that would be great. And I think this is really great, DollarTree.com, for teachers, because then you would really kind of need to buy in bulk like this, right? So I think DollarTree.com is great for that. But let's go ahead and see what else we can sit here and find in the home accents. But yeah, I mean, a bunch of things I've kind of really seen, like those ceramic animal figurines. I've kind of seen those, and I've seen the acrylic mirrored wall arts. Some things scrolling through here I really have not seen. This little farmhouse print is really adorable. And yeah, so is this not the most interesting thing? Show of hands of who even knew that DollarTree.com looked like this, had any of this available. Maybe some of you did, but maybe some of you didn't, and that's kind of why I wanted to put this video together for you. But again, just sitting here scrolling. This is that plugin. Do you see this right here? This is the oil. I got the owl one. The only thing is with the plugin, I haven't seen the thing that you have to add for the scent. So still on the lookout for that. But yeah, I'm so shocked and surprised by this. And again, just a little bit more decor. And girl, I'm telling you, just re-watching this through editing, I'm like, okay, I want that, I want that. And that's the thing, you know, without looking at DollarTree.com, whenever I go into the store, I go in blind. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what's there. And if you guys kind of watch my hauls, sometime I'll ask you guys, I'm like, did I find everything in the collection? I don't know. And I'll ask you guys to like comment in case you found something that I don't have. But if you go to the website, it's going to tell you kind of everything that's in the collection. However, I noticed one little snafu, and I'll show you a little bit later as well. But now I'm just kind of moving on to other sections. They have office and school supplies, which is really great. And they have cleaning and storage. Cleaning and storage for the average person would probably be great to buy online because you might need some baskets in bulk, and sometimes it is hard to find really great storage stuff within Dollar Tree. Sometimes it's very picked over, it's not organized very well, sometimes certain colors are not available that you need. So keep in mind, if you need to buy them in bulk, a great place for that is dollartree.com. I want to show you guys that in the holiday section, you can obviously shop by holidays. Like, look at this: Mardi Gras, St. Patrick's Day, New Year's Eve, Cinco de Mayo, Easter, and of course Christmas. I wanted to show you though what they do for certain holidays that are not quite there yet, but they actually just put a countdown, and it tells you when to come back and when to expect that those products are going to be in. As you can see, Christmas is not really expected until September, so then it kind of gives you a countdown, which I think is really cute. I think Dollar Tree has put in so much effort into their website, and I completely love it and I appreciate it. And girl, I am coming back in September to see what they got going on. I am most excited about this. And then they even break it down by giving you sections: holiday mailing center to mail care packages, and then care package supplies. Very, very well done. And here we go with Halloween. Again, just the way that they have everything categorized. Not only do they have it down by categories, but then they give you even more. They give you blogs and ideas and DIYs. I mean, just so much stuff. Honestly, I think they're kind of missing my videos up in here, but I am still impressed by how much effort and thought and creativity that really goes into this. I mean, look at the cute little wooden spoons, which is ironic because I just did wooden spoons. DIY a farmhouse like ombre effect. I'll link it at the end in case you're interested. But very cool. And then look at all these videos. And then here's the arcade that I was telling you guys about. You can actually play games. And what's crazy is, what I learned is that they have arcades based off of occasions and events. So they have games specifically for Halloween. And then in the teacher section, they had games that were like word games for like teacher school type games. I was blown away by that. And then here I am just kind of clicking on this little blog link, and it's just going to basically show different ideas for last minute Halloween costume for your furry pets. This is like a little Harry Potter, and this is like a little superhero. I didn't really understand the crime fighting turtle, but hey, last minute you need to do something, there you go. And now I'm going to just select fall decor because that is the next upcoming seasonal items, and I'm very, very shooketh by what I was finding as I was scrolling through here. Now, most of this I am seeing already at my stores, but then there was quite a bit that I have yet to see. But for example, these fall pumpkin hanging decors, I already hauled the little truck, but then it shows you the other two in its category so that you kind of know what's out there. Most of this has actually been around since a couple years prior, but wait until you start seeing some of the stuff that's new that is super exciting. I can't wait to see if my stores are going to carry them. But again, just here are some more, just fall decor. It even breaks it down by candle, which I'm super impressed by. Really love that. Assorted pumpkin picks. And here we go. I am searching for all of these cute little like votive candles, and they have them in autumn, fall, harvest scents. And I have yet to see these. I am just waiting and waiting, but they are 4-count packs, and then it even tells you like the scents. There's pumpkin pie and vanilla, apple pie, and I just can't wait to hopefully get my hands on these. Very, very excited for these little candles. But again, the minimum purchase is 12 units, so you'd have to spend $12, but you would get, a couple packages of each kind. And then it even breaks it down. Like if you read into the description, it tells you what the burn time is. Like that's crazy. I didn't even know the Dollar Tree got down to this granular level. And they didn't just stop there. Here's another set, another round of candles. And a girl can only dream and hope to get her hands on these. Can we talk about the yellow, the crackling fire? It was really hard for me to kind of read, so I had to scroll down. And in the assortment details, I could tell what it was called: crackling fire, maple pumpkin. So I'm just dreaming of these candles, y'all. That's all I can say. Now, I'm not going to show absolutely everything in every single section, but I just wanted to show you a little bit more of the fall stuff because these placemats are gorgeous. Look at these. Haven't seen those yet, so they have gone onto my list so that I can search for them. And then, did you just spy those little candles with the metal leaves? Where are those? Where can I get my hands on them? And then look at these candles. They've got the sweet woodland fig, maple pumpkin. I am super excited. Those are on my list as well. I'm gonna head back to the home page because I spied not only that gray dinnerware section, but these Farmhouse Chargers. What? I can't even understand. They have gold and it says gray, but it kind of looks like a light brown to me. But this faux wood plastic charger plates, 13 inches, and you can actually buy a minimum of 6, which is not bad because that's kind of, you know, maybe 4 is too little, maybe 8 or 12 is too much, and 6 is great. 6 is probably a little too much for me, you know, because I don't entertain that often, but I wouldn't mind paying $6 to have 6 of those, to be honest. But I'm just showing you the ways that you can order here by different number of units, and that you can just like put it in your cart. And obviously you can change your store to be whatever store is closest to you, and that's how it goes. And probably my favorite section in all of Dollar Tree, which is their new arrivals section, and it literally breaks it down by everything that's new. What is my life? Why have I just now gotten into this? Can we talk about those milk jars for a second? Where are those? I want them. I want all of them. So those are also on my list. But you guys, and then they even give you the little red tag and it says new. So it tells you, because some of these are also not just on this page, but then you'll see them again in whatever corresponding department section that they're going to be in. So that little tag can tell you to let you know what's new. I mean, look at all this stuff, you guys. Look at all the chargers. Now, here's what I was talking about earlier that I was really interested. You guys know I just hauled these books, except I didn't find Robin Hood. I found Alice in Wonderland. So that kind of throws me off because it's kind of confusing to me. Well, why did I find Alice in Wonderland, but you don't show Alice in Wonderland on your website? So that's the only thing that kind of puts a little blind spot into the website versus your store. Just when you think that you've gone to dollartree.com to see what could be available, your store may still surprise you and have something that the website does not have. So I just want to throw that out there. Still always, no matter what you do, if you go in the store, always look through everything because you never know. I didn't realize I was going to talk for 18 minutes straight. I don't know if you can tell, but my voice is kind of like going in and out. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to let you guys have so much fun at Dollar Tree. I'm not going to let you have it, but if you want, go to dollartree.com, check out everything. I didn't show you guys everything, so get, accustomed to what's going on there. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will do maybe another one when their Christmas stuff comes back out. But in the meantime, fall DIY is coming soon, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.